A multimeter is a handheld device used for diagnosing problems in electrical components. Multimeters are one of the most common tools you will use in the HVAC trade. A multimeter can be used to measure AC and DC voltage, AC and DC current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, and temperature. There are two types of multimeters that we will cover in the next section: digital multimeters, and clamp multimeters. Before digital multimeters, you had to carry a tool for every measurement. There would be a tool for measuring voltage, another for current, another for resistance, etc. Digital multimeters combined all of these tools into one instrument. Digital multimeters have a dial that determines what you are measuring, a display that shows your measurement results, ports for connecting accessories. We will go into more detail on these items in the multimeter components topic. A clamp multimeter is a digital multimeter with an additional current sensor. The current sensor sits in a red claw at the top of the multimeter. See the picture to the right for an example. A clamp meter can perform all of the same measurements as a digital multimeter. Clamp meters have several advantages over digital multimeters when you are measuring current. Clamp multimeters are much safer to use and can measure higher amounts of current than digital meters. Some clamp meters can measure up to 2500 ampere of current. Most digital meters can only measure 10 ampere.